Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-GX850 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera, like not working or not doing what it's supposed to do in terms of the settings, this will fix a lot of those issues. The other reason is, there's tons of settings on here and we can try to reset them all manually, set them manually, but if you just want to get a fresh start and just get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can just do this factory reset. And it's super simple to do on this camera. It's just a couple of button pushes. We're just going to hit the menu button to open the menu, and once the menu opens, we're just going to select the settings, the setup. It's going to say setup and have a gear icon. So just menu and then setup with the gear icon, sub menu, and then from there we just select reset. That's really all there is to it, and that will reset everything. And then you can go ahead and set this camera up like a new camera.